the left hand starts with 4 in B minor. To make this harmonic minor, we're going to raise the 7th note. It's an A sharp. Same fingering. Don't forget to start with 4 in the left hand. Then B melodic minor, we also raise the 6th, so we have now a G sharp and an A sharp for melodic going up. And then when you come down, you revert to the natural minor to come down. Notice the thumbs play together there. To play your chord progression, you use the harmonic minor notes for your chord progression.